We're here at the Fairchild Gardens in Coral Gables, Florida. I'm here with my TRC team. We've been working with these people here. They have a program called Grown Beyond Earth, and we've been helping them with their power supply solution for that. We're gonna go in here, we're gonna get a tour, and we're gonna learn a little bit more about that program and the impact it's not only making for the astronauts that go to the space station, but also so many children in so many schools throughout the entire world. Let's get going here, guys. When he was sharing the impact that's making, how you're actually able to bring children and schools involved in this, you know, it's you're not only solving the problem for the astronauts, but you're also creating opportunities for the children.
And what's really wonderful about it is that the students are very much, their knowledge about growing plants and everything is very similar to what the astronauts have. So like the astronauts may not have time to devote as much time as they'd like to growing the plants, and the students in the same way, and we can really look at how hardy these plants are and how well they do when there's different conditions, and really decide if those plants are hardy enough to go to space where the astronauts will be handling them.
And we have students that are getting a rich STEM experience from doing this project, but we want to make sure that everybody that touches this project understands that plants are the thing that make it possible to live on Earth.
Yes.
And now we're having this conversation about living in other places that are not Earth.
Right.
And if you want to live in those places that are not Earth, you've got to figure out how to bring this thing, plants, photosynthesis, along on the journey.
And these chambers open, and that's the way it's intended to be on the space station too, is that's part of the psychological benefit for the astronauts, is to actually touch something that's alive, surrounded by hardware, and you're in the depths of space. Having something from Earth that you can actually touch and care for, they really enjoy that.
That little nugget of information to middle school students and high school students gives them a whole different outlook on all the green stuff around them. These are not just leaves on trees, these are cosmic energy collectors, and this is what supports us here on the planet. We found TRC on the internet, and I have to say that anytime we can work with a group of people that gives us a lot of feedback and wants to work with us personally, it's always a great experience.
We've been working with TRC for a few weeks now, and we're really happy with the products that we've received and the service that we've gotten.
We're using a Meanwell power supply. It provides the amount of power we need while being stable in the output, which provides power for our microcontroller, which is a Raspberry Pi Pico unit. And there's a variety of sensors connected to that, including a light panel delivering light to the plants.